welcome to TNR Sales. Today on a nice windy day where we're looking at Canterbury park models. This one retails for about $90,000 and I wanted to get its designation. It is called SKLTL. So 38 SKLTL. Just so you got some reference. It's unit number 6557 on our lot here, and it's for sale. We'll take a quick walk around it, and then we'll head in it. I love the siding color. It's a triple loft. Got an extra air conditioner. It's kind of an olive colored siding. I'm not sure of the name of it, but I like it. It's nice and dark with white trim. Little gingerbread decoration. Let's go on in. This is one of the cooler trailers I've seen today. I got about 10 more to film, so all I need is energy. This is a Canterbury Triple Loft. So you've got a sectional sofa, sectional sleeper sofa in the front. This just came in, so you'll have to excuse the boxes of stuff. That's the entertainment center with the fireplace, breakfast bar. There's stools upstairs. Like I said, I'm getting ahead of myself a little bit with the video here. Got some ceiling fans to hang. Nice stainless faucet. The loft is really cool in this one. It's got a lot of loft area. That bar there is nice too. They still have the rubber bands on, so I can't go in the cabinet. There's the bar stools. Check this bathroom out. Nice big bathroom with the window. You got your ball bearing full extension drawer guides in the Canterbury. That's always a good thing. You got a headpan in the shower, so you tall people have an extra 6 inches of headroom. Stainless appliances. More cabinetry in the hall. Got some nice drawers here. Them all pull out. The tall closet there. Here's the master. Of course, it comes with the bedspread that's not put on it yet. I mean, this one literally just got here. So come on over and buy it before somebody else gets a chance to look at it. Pocket door, that's a nice thing. Doesn't take up any space. Check this loft out now. I'm gonna head up to the loft, show you around. That's all the extra furniture. Here's the back loft. It's got an entertainment center there. I guess I better wander my way around. I'm walking on my knees, so bear with me. Air conditioner, auxiliary air to keep it cool up here. Wow. Let's see. How many people could be up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Probably a dozen upstairs. This is an outstanding floor plan. I must say that Canterbury outdid themselves on this one. I predict this will be the next one sold. Okay, so I went around the entertainment center. Now I'm going to head back down the stairs. Beautiful plank flooring. Okay, 2023 Canterbury. You saw it here first. Be sure to check out my other videos and pictures. Have a great day.